Hello and welcome, Glorious Badger here. Another unboxing we've got here. This is not for Games Workshop stuff, this is something else entirely. So we will open it up and find out, hopefully. Aha! One of these ones. What have we got in here? We have some Star Wars Legion Tauntaun riders. I believe this is 2 of these bad boys inside there. And what I'm most looking forward to is the Airspeeder. I would like to be painting some more Star Wars miniatures of various, ideally mostly vehicles, truth be told. But I have a bit of an urge to try and get a B-wing. However, for Star Wars Legion, we've got this. We'll open them up, have a look. We're not going to be building them on this particular video. I will remove this so the reflection is removed. So I've done a Luke Skywalker painting video. I will be painting up these as well for YouTube in the future. So let's have a look inside. Yeah, as I said, we're not going to be building these. Miniatures. And okay, so we've got the 2 bases. Build instructions. I think. Yep. Those are nice and easy to build. Hopefully. You got a component list. Got the riders, order token, suppression tokens, aim token, dodge, panic, standby, wound tokens, Tauntaun Riders unit card, upgrade cards, endurance, tenacity, comms jammer. Yep, nice and easy to build. And some new rules and stuff on the back. Lovely jubbly. Here are the various tokens one gets. And cards. Endurance. At the end of the activation phase, you may remove 1 suppression token. Nasty. While performing a melee attack, if you are wounded or if 1 or more of your minis have been defeated, add 1 red attack die to your attack pool. And comms jammer. Enemy units at range 1 cannot be issued orders unless they are issuing an order to themselves. There we go. Nice. Nice and easy. I've put those back in there. These are the Tauntauns, and then these are... How have they got these? I know they've got exactly 1 entire miniature in its entirety per bag. Which is nice and easy. Have to go through all the bits and make sure they're all there. Plastic. It feels... I'm trying to remember the plastic on the Luke Skywalker one felt different. I could be mistaken on that. These are going to be quite quick to build. Once I double check the build instructions. Because at the moment, I've got no idea. Swear this is like... Yeah, there we go. I swear I can build these things. Yeah, I will be not building them on the video today. But all the bits are here, by the looks of it. You got your little rider in there. All those are going to be fun to build. Now we have the T-47 Airspeeder. Let's have a look at this. Light stand. Instructions and contents list. Okie dokie. So, component list. Airspeeder miniature with base and peg. Order token, 4 wound tokens, vehicle damage tokens, aim token, dodge token, unit card, 5 upgrade cards, power harpoon, ground buzzer, wedge antilles, long range comlink, and comms jammer. Flaps can either be assembled either open or closed. The gumdrops, and you got the 2 different weapon options there. I don't know if magnetizing is an option. What we got here? We've got the flaps. We have got the couple of weapon options, ground buzzer, and the harpoon thingamajiggle. We have got the big base there. Got the orders and tokens right here. Quick look at these. Power harpoon, fixed. Rear defender must be inside your rear arc. Tow cable. After a vehicle is wounded by an attack that includes this weapon, perform a pivot with that vehicle. Ground buzzer. Fixed rear. The defender must be inside your rear arc. I don't know what those those things mean. I'm sure they mean something to people who know. Wedge antilles. Perform a pivot. Lovely. Long range comlink. During the command phase, you can be issued orders by friendly, whatever those units are, regardless of range. Comms jammer. Enemy units at range 1 cannot be issued orders unless they're issuing an order to themselves. And that is those order cards. Got the Airspeeder listings right there. Got the tokens here. And you got the miniature here, which is going to be one of the quickest miniatures I've ever built, probably. And that is going to be fantastic. It's got nicely scribed panel lines. Feels like pretty nice plastic as well. So yeah, I just got to figure out exactly how I'm going to paint it. And then, yeah. So this will be for my Hoth Rebels. Lovely jubbly. I'm looking forward to building that. I may end up getting more at some point. So yeah, hopefully we'll be doing some more unboxings in the future of various things, not just Star Wars. Probably the majority of it is going to be Games Workshop. I do have an Instagram. Instagram.com/GloriousBadger. I do stream on Twitch, twitch.tv/GloriousBadger. I have a Patreon, patreon.com/GloriousBadger. The links should all be below. Do comment in the comments below what you would like to see more of, and we can get to it. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.